National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Mercer County in central New Jersey, southwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, west central Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rickboro, or 14 miles west of Trenton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, South Brunswick, Ewing, Princeton, Doylestown, Flemington, Pennington, New Hope, Yardley, Newtown, Hopewell, Linghorn, Iveland, Rocky Hill, Stockton, Washington Crossing, Skillman, Feasterville, Trevose, Flagtown, and Kingston. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 347 and 349. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 69 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex and Somerset, and Bucks, Pennsylvania.